So a few months ago, I was working on a building project with a local builder. We were working on a lean-to thing at the local elementary school, and I was just helping him out put on siding and some other stuff. And he had this with him. He called it a saw pony. I hadn't seen one of these before, and I complimented it. And he said, "Oh, sure, just take this one home. I make them and give them out to people and pass them on." So basically, let's you sit your saw down while you're cutting. It makes a nice stool to stand on. His is set up, his whole sawhorse system. These sawhorses don't match, but he has made these to be the same height as the platform on his sawhorses. So you can use this as low staging. You can stage between the two. They all line up nicely. The slots in it, let's see if you can see that in focus. The slots in it also act as a handle to carry it around, as well as dropping in the saw. It's just, says Eric's Pony. So it's just a couple of 2x4s cut on with angles on the ends and 3/4 inch plywood screwed on it. So this thing is really pretty darn useful. I use it as a step stool. It's great for when you're cutting, you've got a place to drop your saw. It's right about it. Good height to pick it back up again. Let me show you that. So if those are my sawhorses. Got my saw pony there. Make a cut. Goes right there. Pick it back up again. Ready to cut again. So yeah, this thing works. It's great. Easy to make. You don't have to do this exact design, but I definitely bring this to a job site if I'm going to do much skill saw work. So yeah, make yourself a saw pony.